you fantasize about.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be making a play button for Ashbay Gaming, so when he hits 60 subscribers I'll give it to him. So let's get straight into it. First of all, as you can see, we've got this bit of timber, and I'm going to measure it out to the correct sizing. So first of all, we're going to want to come down here and measure 2 centimeters. So sorry about the background noise. So once we have measured out 2 centimeters on every side, what we're going to do is we're going to use the square. Now this square is about 70 years old. So we're going to use it like this. This is to make sure that we are square and straight. So once we've done that, we'll measure like that. So now we've got a line there. You probably can't see it. There we go. We've got a line there. Alright, so now that's there. We will now measure out 20 centimeters. So I'll use this time. Actually, you know what? I'll just use the little one. So now we measure out 20. Now 20 is not good, so I'll measure out 12. Actually, no, 15. Alright, so 15's measured out. Now I'll use the square once again. So there we go, we've got that. And just like so in there, that's right in there is where the play button will be. So I'll get this into the vise and I'll start cutting. So see you when I'm in the vise. Right, we're over at the vise now, and I've got the saw. Now you always be very careful with it, because these are very sharp and you could cut your hand off or a couple of fingers off. So you start off like this, and you... Now, sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle to get through, but once you do it, so, alright, so as you can see, now that's not cutting straight, so what I do is I'll turn it around to the other side. And I'll do the same thing. So we have it right about here. So let's do it. And just like that, that bit's off. So we can just put that to the side for scrap. I'll put the saw down and I'll change around here. Have this sticking out there. And I will, in fact, start cutting this. Now straight away I can tell that is not cutting as straight. So once again, undo this, put it around this side, put it in like this, and we're good to go. And there we have it, just like that. Now, I'll get rid of this scrap bit. But now, as you can see, that didn't cut straightly. So I'll just sand that down later. But apart from that, we've got our structure of the play button. So now, I'll get this in the vise. Ready to make the rounded corners. So I'll meet you then when I'm down there. Alright, I'm back. And now, we're going to just be sanding the corners. So to do this, we start off at an angle. And we just want to have the sandpaper on an angle and just go down like this. But actually, before I round it, I should just get off this bit. Now, as you can see, we've got this bit, so just fix up the sandpaper every now and then. Now, that's not perfect, but I'll start rounding again. But actually, before I round, I'll do all of the edges, just flat and everything. So just a very quick and rough sanding will do. It'll be great. So just, not all the sides need as much sanding, but some need heaps. Alright, now that we've got that, I'll just do this by hand quickly. Sorry if you don't see it too much. Well, I'll just do it down on the bench. Now you won't be able to see it, but I'm just sanding it. I suppose I could put it in a vise and do it this way, so you can see it. Now, as you can see that's smoothened. So now, this side's a little bit of a difficulty. We got a problem. We'll get rid of that. That will be the back of it. Now, as you can see, I'm just getting off all of this muck. Now, I know it doesn't look perfect, but it's pretty smooth. So now I'll get back to rounding the corners. Now that's rounding off. That's rounding off pretty nicely. Now that we've got that, we'll switch over to the other side, right here. And we'll just do the exact same. And as you can see there, there's a few things, so we'll just do that. And as you can see, by doing that, we've got a nice and rounded edge. So we'll do the exact same on the opposite sides. So just like this. So Yeah, so this is a little bit of a difficult one. But I'm managing. Now that we've got that side, I'll switch it over. And get this side. And as you can see, and just like that, we've got rounded edges. So now I think what I'll do is I'll just open this up. Well, first of all, I'll open it up and get this in here so I can sand it properly. I'll just make sure you can all still see it. And yes, you can. So just up here. Get rid of heaps of splinters and everything. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now I think I'll just switch the sanding block quickly. And as you can see there, it doesn't look like it, but it is really smooth. I'll do the same on the opposite side. Now this is going to be the back, so it doesn't have to be too good. But generally, I like to make my things look pretty good. Now, there's that. It's looking pretty rounded. I'll just do some rounding off camera quickly. But apart from that, we've got there's the front. I'll have it up that way. We've got a nice play button. And now, I need to carve out the middle. So I'll be back when I'm set up for that.